Hello everyone, welcome to websolution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change email on Twitter. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up X on your mobile device. Tap on your profile at the top left of your screen. Select Settings in Support. Tap on Settings in Privacy. Tap on your account. Select Account Information. Tap on Email Address. Type in your password to verify yourself. Tap on Next once you are done typing in your password. Now you can type in your new email address. Once you are done typing in your new email, tap on Next. Once you are done verifying your email, you have successfully changed your email on Twitter. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.